So here's the base of our steamer, vegetable steamer, and although it gets put in the dishwasher and scrubbed, it's built up this brown staining, which is hygienic clean, but it doesn't look very nice. So I'm going to test the magical product. Baking soda. In Europe that's normally called bicarbonate of soda, but it's the same thing. And pour it in. It's a kind of a rough powder. Just add some water, and then I'm just going to use standard sponge to clean it. Look, I hardly need to carry on. That's already cleaned that. I want to get in the edges there. That's a bit more difficult. It's in the corners that it's most difficult. If they're really difficult, I might get an old toothbrush. I'm using the rough edge of the sponge. It's a standard supermarket sponge. Let's just rinse that off. So I haven't really forced. I haven't finished the job, but you can see it does the job. So once again, bicarbonate of soda or baking powder is the wonder cleaning product for so many jobs, and it's quite harmless and cheap.